Hey, Travis here. I just want to give a quick update. I've been emailing people about this Costco trade here. So we closed it here for $350. We entered that for about 100, give or take. This is a trade my 6-year-old told me to make. So I am happy he told me to make it because we wound up, I think, doubling our money, about give or take. Also, here's another one here, a VXX trade. We wound up closing out and it brought in about $1,200 here. So this is 517. I re-entered both of these. So I re-entered for 162 here, Costco for 179. So I'm re-entering, risking some of my profit. So this is a concept I call risk retrading, or, to be more accurate, you reduce the risk of investing in options. This way you can participate in the best of the market while avoiding the worst, which means that if these trades are profitable, great, I make more money. But if it's not and they wind up being losers, am I really losing money? No, I just gave back some of my profit. I don't want to lose my original account balance. So this is a way I can, reduce the risk of investing in options. So this VXX trade here, let me come back here to April 13th when I placed these. So here on April 13th, you can see I bought these puts here for 68 cents or $1.19, and total $374. In total I invested. And now here you can see how much they went up into price. So again, 374, cash out for about 1,200, total profit of about 848 in total. Now, the beauty here is members get access to these trades in my Trade Journal Excel. So you just saw I placed 2 more trades in Costco, and I let members know here because they get access to my Trade Journal Excel. So I let them know as soon as I place a trade or close it out, anything I do with my trades, I let them know here. And then about the next day, the broker allows me to download my trades here on the Excel. So if members, they can copy along if they want. I always advise people to learn how to do this themselves versus, trying to copy other people. But the thing here is, if they did, even if they modeled this, just one trade paid for their subscription for 1 to 2 years. Okay, so when I email, I'm letting people know these are the trades. You could have had access to this. That's what I was telling people. We have an awesome community here. Not only am I teaching you how to do what I do, I'm allowing you to see my results in real time. You won't find many people willing to do that. These are real money trades, and not just willing to do that, but we do it at a fraction of the cost of everyone else. So just to let you know here, we're doing our part. My son is raising money to go on a mission trip. I am helping him out. He's doing work, yard sales, doing work in yards. He's taking some of his dividend money from stocks he owns. We're taking these trading profits right here. We're doing our part. And I'm also donating 100% of the profits from people joining the community to help with this. So we're tackling this from different areas, and this is what I want to teach people how to do. So that's all I have for you today. You take care, and I'll talk to you in the next training.